Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Torque Update. If you're into luxury sedans that blend athletic performance with high-tech features and premium comfort, then you're going to love what Acura is cooking up. The 2027 Acura TLX is on the horizon, and it looks like it's bringing more refinement, more power, and more excitement than ever before. So buckle up. Let's dive into what we can expect from a newest TLX. Let's kick things off with a quick vibe check. The current TLX already has a strong reputation for giving you a premium driving experience at a more accessible price than its German rivals. The 2027 TLX is expected to build on that, with sharper styling, a more intuitive tech setup, and a smoother, more responsive drive. Whether you're commuting to the office or hitting some backroads, the TLX continues to offer a balanced blend of comfort and confidence. On the outside, the 2027 Acura TLX is rumored to feature a refined evolution of its bold design language. Expect a sleeker version of the Diamond Pentagon grille, flanked by slimmer jewel-eye LED headlights and aggressive air intakes that give the front fascia a sportier vibe. The side profile is likely to be more sculpted, with new alloy wheel designs and subtle character lines that enhance its dynamic posture. Around back, redesigned taillights, and an integrated rear spoiler hint at the TLX's performance potential. And yes, new color options are on the way, including a few performance-inspired shades for the Type S trim. Step inside the 2027 TLX, and you're greeted with an upgraded cabin that's all about quality and connectivity. Acura is expected to keep its driver-centric layout, but with an even cleaner, more minimalist dash. A larger curved touchscreen, likely around 12.3 inches, will take center stage, running the latest AcuraLink infotainment system with over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. Expect a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable ambient lighting, and a high-end Yellow Studio 3D premium audio system that turns the TLX into a mobile concert hall. Heated and ventilated seats, open pore wood or brushed aluminum trim, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless phone charging are all expected to be part of the package. In the rear, Acura will likely improve legroom and seating comfort, making the sedan just as suitable for passengers as it is for drivers. Performance-wise, Acura isn't sitting still. The 2027 TLX is rumored to carry over the solid engine choices from the previous model, but with some performance enhancements. The base engine will likely remain a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, tuned to make around 280 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The real excitement is in the TLX Type S, which is expected to return with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, but this time, it may push up to 360 horsepower. Acura is working on refining the super-handling all-wheel drive system for even more grip and corner carving precision. Suspension upgrades, better steering response, and improved chassis tuning will ensure the TLX stays a true driver's car while remaining smooth and composed in everyday driving. The 2027 Acura TLX is expected to debut in late 2026, with delivery starting in early 2027. Pre-orders may open shortly after the official reveal, possibly during fall 2026. As for pricing, the new TLX will continue to undercut its German competition while offering similar features. Expect the base model to start around $45,000, with well-equipped trims reaching $50,000 to $55,000. The high-performance Type S variant could top out around $62,000 when fully loaded. The 2027 Acura TLX is shaping up to be a true competitor in the mid-size luxury sports sedan segment. With bolder styling, and even more premium cabin, cutting-edge tech, and refined performance, it's proof that Acura is on a rise again. Whether you're a longtime TLX fan or looking to try something fresh, this new model could be just what you're after. That'll wrap on everything we know so far about the 2027 Acura TLX. If you're excited to see it hit the streets, or just love staying on top of the latest rides, smash that like button, tap the bell so you don't miss an update, and subscribe to Torque Update for more car reviews, sneak peeks, and performance breakdowns. Catch you in the next ride.